Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this really pretty pink glitter cut crease look. I love how it turned out and I feel like I should have saved it for when I got closer to Valentine's Day, but I ended up doing it today. So if you guys want inspiration for Valentine's Day a little early, here it is. So today I also did this look using the BH Zodiac palette. Some of you guys wanted to see another look using this palette and I don't blame you because it is so beautiful that we needed another look using this palette. Look at that. I'm obsessed with this palette. Can't stop using it. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this light pink. Starting with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease, going back and forth all the way from this outer corner to the inner corner, and then kind of start winging this out just a little bit. Now going into this darker pink purple. So now I'm switching over to my Sigma E25 and I picked up the shadow and I'm going to pat this first on this outer third of my lid. And then start blending that through the crease. Doing that same winged out shape. This is just going to elongate the eyes and give you a really nice cat eye kind of effect. And now I'm bringing that shadow towards this inner corner. And then you can pick up a little bit more shadow to darken this up. You can go as dark or as light as you want with the shadow. Now going back with my E38 and that light pink shadow, I'm applying that first on this outer corner and then on the high point of this crease shadow to blend everything out and bring back that nice light pink. Now I'm going to finish off my lower lash line before I move on and do my lid. So I'm picking up first that light pink shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush and just running that along my lower lash line. And then picking up this dark purpley pink shadow on that same brush and just running this all along my lower lash line. Just making this really smoky and connecting it up to this outer corner of my shadow. To cut my crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. So when I do my cut crease, because my crease falls over my lid, what I do is I create the line onto my crease right here and I look straight ahead into the mirror. So I'm going to take this Smashbox Precise Brow and Liner brush and I'm just going to create a line first and then go in and fill that in. So I'm going to start on this inner corner and do short little strokes, moving my way up and then stopping it right where that dark shadow meets. So now switching over to my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to start applying this concealer all on this empty lid space. And then when I get onto this outer corner where the shadows are going to meet, I'm going to start blending that and going back and forth. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that dark purple pink and just apply that right where that concealer will meet that shadow just to blend it out. For my lid, I'm picking up Leo. So I'm first going to apply this shadow with my finger just because these shimmer shadows apply really intense and pigmented with your finger rather than with a brush. And then I'm going to pat that over top just to blend it out. Now taking my Sigma E21 smudge brush, I'm applying this shadow really close to that line now, just to perfect it. For my glitter liner, I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Grind. Now for the fun part, the glitter. This completely transforms the whole look, so I'm going to apply this right at that cut crease area. And this is going to be so difficult to do on camera because I have to be super close with my arm down on the table and really like concentrating, but I'm going to try to do this for you guys. So I'm just going to start applying this right around that cut crease. And then when you get out on this outer corner, just lighten up the pressure of your brush and fade that glitter out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this a little bit better off camera, but you get the idea. So what I do is make sure you don't look up because you don't want that glitter to fall onto your lid or mess around. So just keep your eye straight ahead and let that dry and then go in with another layer or two just to get it really nice and intense. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm picking up the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. So that's the glitter liner done. I think it just completely transformed the look and it looks so pretty. So now you don't have to, but I'm going to. I'm going to apply some black liner on my upper waterline just to darken up my lashes. And now I'm going to line my waterline. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Huda Beauty lashes in Scarlet. So I'm going to keep my lips nude and simple just because I want to keep all that concentration on this eye look. I'm obsessed. I love that glitter. It just completely took the look to a different level. So I'm going to be using the Ofra liquid lipstick in Nude Potion. And that is it. This is the completed look of my pink glitter cut crease. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this look turned out. I think just because the glitter makes it look extra glam, and I haven't had a pink look on my channel in forever, so I'm so excited to do this look and have this look up for you guys. And this palette, I mean, when I first used it, I told you guys how much I loved it. Still loving it. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here as well as down in the description box. And make sure that you do follow me on Instagram because I always have photos of the looks that I filmed. So I will have this look up there and the close-up shot of the eye so you can see the detail and everything, how it looks. And then I also have a bunch of other looks that I do that I don't end up filming. So if you guys ever want to see any of those looks, definitely let me know and comment on those photos, and I will definitely recreate them for you guys here on YouTube. And also the list of all the brushes and products that I used today will be listed down below as usual, and I think that should be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!